Look at this video. Now look at this one. Now, can you tell me which one is the original and which one was made by an actual human and which one was AI generated in just under 5 minutes? Because there's a new tool called Topview Video Agent that claims it can recreate any viral video using AI. Just upload any image or a video and boom, you get your own version ready to go. Sounds too good to be true, right? Now here's the reality of content creation today. You see a viral video, maybe it's a product demo, a trend or a creative ad, and it makes you think, can I make something like this for my own business? So what do? You hire a video editor that charges 10 to 50,000 per video. Then you spend days explaining what you want, back and forth, revisions, waiting and even more waiting. Or you try to learn video editing yourself, download the software, watch tutorials and then struggle with transitions, effects and timings, and 3 weeks later you're still stuck. This is where Topview Video Agent comes in. And with this, you can skip all of this. You need no editor, no skills, just AI doing the work. But does it actually work? And more importantly, should you even use it? Let me show you the exact process. Step 1. Open Topview's website and create an account. They offer a free trial which is good for testing. Step 2. Find any product or a viral video you want to recreate. Step 3. Go to the Video Agent feature, upload your image and paste the URL. Step 4. Now just write a prompt describing what you want and that's it. No filming required, no editing software needed. The AI will automatically generate a video according to your own input or replicate the style of your chosen reference. And it also adapts the viral formula for your specific product. So we tested it out with a simple e-commerce product and the AI created a 15-second video with smooth transitions, text overlays and background music. It looked professional, something that would cost thousands if done manually. We also tested a trending social media format and the AI captured the viral style accurately with quick cuts, engaging hooks in the first 3 seconds, clear product showcase, ready to post on social media. So we just saw how this actually works. But now the question is, how does this help you? Look, speed and cost. That's what matters here. A professional video editor charges 15,000 to 50,000 per video, takes 1 to 2 weeks minimum, but Topview does it at a fraction of cost and you get the results in minutes. So you're not just paying for the tool, you're paying to save time. And in business, time is money. So here's my final take. Topview Video Agent is a practical tool for businesses that need video content quickly and more affordably. It's not perfect, it won't replace human creativity completely, but for marketing campaigns, social media content and e-commerce ads, it gets the job done. And if you are a small business struggling with video content, this can help you compete with bigger brands. And if you want to try Topview yourself, link is in the pinned comment. Test it out with your products and see if it works for your needs. And if you found this video helpful, do hit that subscribe button because we keep testing these tools honestly so you can make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.